Hi, class. This is Professor Laney again. I'm coming to you to explain the syllabus scavenger hunt today. And I'm just a little quick video to help with the instructions. I figured since most people are visual, you would appreciate the instructions being in a video. So the syllabus scavenger hunt is to get you guys comfortable with the class. Now, every professor does it a little bit differently, and I am no exception. In fact, I'm a little bit different on purpose because I you know, just like things a little bit different, but I also have a method to the madness. So this syllabus and scavenger hunt helps you go through our syllabus, helps you go through the Canvas shell, and it gets you familiar with our campus. Even if you're an online student, and I know you guys are at the center every day, some people are like, oh, we have a library named after like a local person who really helped pave the way for education for the entire United States. It's really an exciting story, and I'll share it with you guys when we get there. It's beautiful. So again, every professor is going to have some sort of like intro something. This is pretty similar, but this one I want to see um this this is for you to like get in there. Now, some people say, oh, this is confusing and I have to go from here to there to here to there. Yep, that's the point. It's called learning. So you may have to switch between Canvas. You may have to switch between the SCC main site. You may have to switch between our syllabus. Now, you are welcome to work with a friend on this. I know you guys have like little friends in the centers. You guys are bonding, which is so cool. Work on this together. You're not cheating if you're working in a group like you just made together. It's up to you. Again, the point of learning is to learn, not to be like, oh, but you can't learn with other people. No, we sometimes learn best with other people. So, okay, every quiz and every exam in this class is going to be 0 time limit. Like you can take as much time, there's no limits, take as much time as you want. So I put here, there's no time limit, and you can take it as many times as you want. So if you need to take it 47 times to get a full score, then do that. It doesn't matter. No me importa, right? It doesn't bother me if you guys do that because every time you go back through the quiz, you learn something new. Yeah. I do switch up the answer. So sometimes people go, oh, number 3 is the 4th one down. Nope, don't do that. Make sure you know the word because that gives you the meaning, right? We're not just like memorizing at positions where the correct answers are. Make sure you know the word. So you're going to see true or false, multiple choice, multiple answers and matching. So always read the instructions. And if you lose points, just go back and write down where it's incorrect and go back and do it again. So again, when you're ready to start, you're going to hit start quiz. I don't have that here. Actually, let me see if I can do it in student view. So, oh, not yet available because my class is not published, but I can give you a little preview. Question 1, how many chapters are you responsible for in week 1? We have an intro module and then we have one. Okay. So just keep going and submit it and keep going. You could hit submit quiz in the middle. It'll hold your space. Just hit your answer and hit next. The next one is going to show you all the instructions again, which is great. What types of file formats do I accept for assignments in this class? I'll give you a hint. It's in the syllabus. The syllabus in Canvas, not your printed out one. They're the same, but I didn't put all the instructions in. In fact, just read the syllabus here on Canvas and then also maybe the intro module that I'll tell you about all these file formats. I can't accept them all because Canvas doesn't do it. I'll give you a hint. This one right here. So if you're a Mac user, don't ever send me .pages. Just don't do it. Canvas can't read it. I can't read it. If I can't read it, I can't grade it. Cool. So make sure that you have this done. I put the due date on this one on like Wednesday or Thursday of the first week. So if for some reason you can't get to it between Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, please let me know ahead of time. But this should be super easy and it gets you really, really familiar with our class. Okay, I hope this helps. And if it doesn't, I know you guys know how to get a hold of me in the Canvas inbox. Send me a message once the class starts because every time you send me a message, it records you sending it to me and it also records when I answer you back. And every once in a while, I get a student who's like, but I emailed you 3 times. It's like, oh, no. Canvas keeps track of all that. And I'm a little bit psycho when it comes to responding. I try to do it within a day or two. But if for some reason I can't exactly get back to you, I'll say, hey, I'm working on this and I'll get back to you on Thursday or something like that. So make sure you're in communication with me, especially if something is up with an assignment or anything like that. And if I don't hear from you, you may be hearing from me. So if you want that to happen, You know what to do. All right. Thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.